All right, guys. Let's go over here. Oh, ooh, what did I see here? Oh, somebody about to step their exhaust game up. Do I hear a? Now they look like a typical bass. No, that may be for like a. Y'all know what that is, right? Oh, I gotta find out what car this is going on, guys. Anybody want to take a wild guess? Also, anybody want to take a guess if this is an upgrade or just a sound feature, okay, to get better sound? It all depends on the car, actually. So once I find out what car it go on, I can tell. Now, if it's been wrecked, like they had a wreck and the insurance company finally approved the exhaust, that's a different story. But do I detect some exhaust improvement? Guys, look at this exhaust. Don't this look like it's restricted? Look at this right here. That could come off. I mean, look, and that side right there is not. So I don't know what that's all about. Don't look like it's been. Is that strap squeezing it in? I don't know. That's crazy. But I don't know, guys. I'm gonna make sure, keep my eye open when this come in. I want to know what kind of car this is going on. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna find out. Stay tuned. Nosy hour, guys. Let's get it. Oh, he finally got this 3.6 done, guys. All right, we're gonna focus in. Yes, it's done. I heard it running early. We're gonna focus in on the parts, guys. Yes, y'all remember how bad those camshafts look, right? Ooh. So you got two lobes on one cam shot. Okay, can't tell if that's intake or exhaust. This one, you got a lobe right here. Now, guys, remember what I said about camshaft? It's not a wearable item. It's either damaged or a tone wheel is loose, which will cause for its replacement. See, like this one right here. I hope you don't throw this one away. Look at these lobes. Absolutely nothing wrong with these, guys. This is a reusable cam. All right, check that tone wheel, no loosening at all. This is the PCV centrifugal. Okay, so these two right here, I gotta find out. I hope you don't throw these away. Guys, we get beat up all the time. In some cases, guys misdiagnose cars and may need a cam, so I just tend to keep these in my spare parts drawer. Okay, of course, he went in with all new. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Guys, it's just a crappy part, guys. It got nothing to do. Well, I gotta refrain from saying that, because oil and the lubrication system, it has something to do with it, but not as much as this just being a poorly designed part. I'm sorry. I have finally come to that conclusion, guys. This is me, so I don't want anybody to think they have to go by the same conclusion I'm going through. Here goes another one. So yeah, quite a few. We replaced them all. Wise man to do them all. If it was warranty, we got to only replace the ones that we see that has failed. I'm blaming this on a poorly designed rock arm. The ones we put in it are new and redesigned. We should never see this car back in for ticking noise, unless, however, the ticking is a result of cam phasers. Now, he did not replace the cam phaser. I'm not sure why. But it's none of my business. Okay, so I gotta ask him, because I want to keep this camshaft and this camshaft. There's nothing wrong with this tone wheel, guys. And remember when we talked about the shavings? This shavings, this will fail. Where is it? There's no needle bearings in here, right? Guess what these needle bearings are? Watch that video right there. I'm gonna show you where they are. Okay, it has to be somewhere. They don't just poof and be gone. So, oh wow, this is terrible. It's ugly. I see two just by looking. Click, 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 click. Hey, this warranty, you gotta turn these in? Oh no. Okay, this is shot. Well, I was looking at the lobes. If the lobes are good, the camshaft is good. But it's been riding on that.
Some of them are.
Yeah, you should do them. Look at that.
Let me see.
Right. Well, I see the lows on this, but I'm talking about this would be a okay camshaft to keep, but this journal, I mean, this right here that the rocker cap set on. Actually, that ain't nothing. That's just
This was like, that ain't where the rocker shit was.
yeah.
Right.
No, the rocker set right here, but the cap set
Yeah, the
1,
cap
2,
set.
3. Yeah. So okay. So if this CP, yeah, I want to keep this one and this one.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah. These ain't nothing you can do with these.
No. Go ahead, though.
Yeah, we always end up eating them. You got it running? What's
It's running, but I can't get the damn cram crank relearn to damn go through. So I'm gonna try again in the morning.
relearn? Yeah, you got to relearn the. That's a pod, isn't it? You just hook up the pod and go cam and crank relearn.
Tried that shit like 6 times and it says failed.
The cam and crank relearn is in time properly.
I don't know, I ain't got no codes.
Well, you might not have none if it's out of time. Eventually, it's gonna set a code. You ain't drove it enough to trigger a code, yeah.
I'll do tomorrow. Drive.
Yeah, get on the road because you need a code to put you in, at least put you in the right direction. Because if you
Running smooth though.
vacuum, it's the telltale for an out of time car. But this one got so much fancy stuff on it, it's gonna try to compensate.
Yeah.
So like an old PT Cruiser, if it's one tooth off, you can look at engine vacuum. If it's sitting down at 14 inches of vacuum, you off a tooth. There's no compensation going on because it's not no bunch of valves and stuff. It's trying to, but this trying to compensate. It'll try to compensate and throw you off. The fancier the car, the more headaches it can be. But
Yeah, I'll find out tomorrow if it's good or not.
he got the recall done. I missed it, guys. I wanted to catch him in action. I ain't never done one of these. Right, so I don't know. I reserve my right to speak on it until I indulge in one myself. Y'all know I don't like. Oh, this is one of those recalls I heard that actually need the recall. That actually there is actually a problem. He said, "What is it? This radiator cap was just broke off in here. He took the pieces with him. Strange things happens, guys." Yep, but it had to get done. It's plastic. So I assume they better design. Oh, map sensor already on it, stays on it. Yeah, the little flaps. Wow. Wow. And this truck don't have that many miles on it, but I guess with the redesign you won't have this problem. Alright guys, let me go this way.